Here's how to install retractable dip bars on a total gym. So first, remove the slider board from your total gym. Just lift it up out when the total gym is folded up. And then you can see there's holes here and one hole there. So you're gonna have to take that bolt out with an Allen wrench. And then you'll see you get a new bolt, and it's the same length as the old bolt, but it has a little bit of blue thread lock on it. So we're gonna use the new bolt to hold that on. And it just slides over like this. So there are bolts with nuts that go into the two holes along the crossbar. So we'll put those in to hold it in place, and then put our new thread locker bolt in on this side to hold it down and get it nice and tight. And then there's a look at the nut and bolt that you're going to use to hold it onto the bar. The bolt goes through and there's a nut on the end. Pretty simple stuff. You just screw those down and then tighten them up with proper tools. And that's what it looks like when they're folded down. Then you put your slider board back in place. And this is how they fold out. So they can come out like that, and then you can use them to do dips, and you are ready to go. Simple, very simple. Thanks for watching.